In the Entebbe goat race, 5 goats participated: Abuja, Bushi, Copa, Digo, and Eno. Lane 1 is to the extreme left and lane 5 is to the extreme right. The following condition exists. So let's put this as left and this is right. So lane 1 is to the extreme left. So this is lane 1. And then you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. The following conditions exist. Bushi and Eno are not running adjacent to each other. Digo is not on one of the extreme lanes and Abuja is on the left of Copa. If Bushi is in lane 3 and Abuja is in lane 1, so this is what is given to you, right? Then Copa could be in. Now see, if Bushi and Eno are not running adjacent to each other, so Eno cannot come in any of these sides, that means Eno has to be now here, right? Digo is not at one of the extreme lanes, so that's very clear that is not there. Abuja is to the left of Copa, so Abuja is at the leftmost place, so Copa comes anywhere, Abuja can be there. So this can be either Digo or Copa, Copa or Digo. So Copa could be in lane 2 or lane 4. So I'm putting this again here. So lane 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If Bushi is in lane 4, so Bushi is in lane 4, Copa in lane 3, so Copa in lane 3, then Eno could be in. Now, if Bushi is in lane 4 and Copa is in lane 3, one thing is very clear. Eno cannot come here and Digo cannot come here. Why? Because Bushi cannot be adjacent to Eno and Digo cannot be at the extreme left end. So in any of the extreme lanes, so Digo cannot be here, Digo cannot be here. That means Digo is definitely here. That means Eno will be here, and that means Abuja is going to be here. This actually doesn't make sense because here, if you look at, there is a violation of the criteria. Why? Because it's saying Abuja is to the left of Copa, but this can never be possible because in this case, Abuja will always be to the right of Copa. So this answer for this question will be situation violates the condition. In this question, it's saying if Digo is to the left of Abuja, then Digo can be. So if Digo is to the left of Abuja and Abuja is to the left of Copa and Digo is not at the extreme, then Digo can be here. Abuja can be here, Copa can be here. Digo can be here, Abuja can be here, and Copa can be here. The next case is Digo is here, there is a person here, and then you have Abuja and Copa. And we know Bushi and Eno are not adjacent to each other. So in this case, either Eno is here and Bushi is here, Bushi is here or Eno is here. Here again, you can have the same case. Here again, you can have the same case. So let's now look at all the cases, all the statements. Bushi and Eno are not running adjacent to each other. That's perfect. Digo is not at the extreme and that is correct. Abuja is to the left of Copa. Yeah, Abuja is in all cases left of Copa. And Digo is to the left of Abuja. Yeah, Digo is to the left of Abuja. Then what is it that we are getting here now? What we are getting here is, in this case, we are saying he can only be in lane 2. But there is also a case where we can put Digo here, in which case what will happen? Abuja will be here and Copa will be here. But this case is not possible. Why? Because Eno and Bushi will be adjacent to each other. So this case is not possible. So the answer remains as lane 2.